So the difference between snoring and obstructive sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea, apnea is a word that means lack of breathing when you're sleeping because the air pipe's obstructed. So when snoring occurs, it's an indication that there's a narrowing or a disruption in flow, and the sound of snoring is the sound of turbulent airflow, just as if air was going through a kinked air conditioning or heating duct, making that vibratory noise. Or apnea is actually a stoppage or obstruction of flow. So snoring suggests that you have narrowing in the back of your throat and your windpipe, which gets you at risk for having sleep apnea, but it does not diagnose sleep apnea itself.